Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll make the amazing site. First of all, I will tell the site name. The site name is gogobit. So this is the amazing site. First of all, you have to sign up for the reward up to 50 USD. So you have to just put in your email, then you have to put in your password, then you have to just register. So guys, I will fill the first section, then I will do the next step. So friend, you have to see this. We have to just enter your email and password, then register now. So this is the next section. You have to see enter your email verification. So guys, go back to your email Gmail, and then you have to just copy the code. So guys, first of all you have to go your open Gmail account. That section of you have your Gmail. So first of all, copy this code and back to a site and put in your here. So just after you have to put your email, then click the button create account, then you can get your account is registered. So guys, I will fill the code and then click the button create account. So friend, we log in the site and we have the register here. So you have to see this is the total asset company give it to me. The total balance in my account 16.00 USD. So deposit, withdraw, and first time deposit 10% extra, and revolution trading shape video. If you have to watch this video, you have to watch it, and you have to see three reasons of your choosing gogobit. First, innovative trading features. Second, lower fees and better rewards, and third, institution grade security. So this is the start investing as little as 5 minutes. So your first step is sign up to gogobit for free, complete Google authentication, and third is fund your gogobit account and instantly, and then you have to start your crypto portfolio. So this is the gogobit invitation program. Complete your wallet invitation and receive invitation bonus, average value 5.5 USD. So this is the gogobit refer program. Here invitor can get bonus proportional to the transaction volume generated by the invite. Is the maximum bonus for the invitation unlimited USD. So this is the trading task. Here user can receive reward USD when trading variety trading task for a different trading mode. So this is the trade anytime anywhere. Download this app and connect 24 hour. So you have to download Apple Store, Android Play Store, Google Play. Okay, so this is the company and product service and legal disclosure and sports here. Media platform Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. So first step, you have to, this is the section of you have just click the button of your and my wallet section. So you have to this is we have deposit and withdraw. So first section, how to get deposit. So guys, this is the section. So guys, before deposit and withdraw, we have some first step is how to get investment. So guys, click the button trading, and you have to see in this is the section. You have to see this is the big mall small. You have to see in this, click the button big mall small. You have the section, you have to choose your code, and then you can starting your investing, and then this is the number section. You have to this is a trading chart here. You had look at this for the you have to see in this is the trading chart here, and this is the odd and even. Yeah, this is the odd number and this is the even. So you know that the even number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and odd is 1, 3, 7, 9, 5. The section of you have to choose your. So section you have to just trading. This is the section your investment assistant last 100 round. You have to see in this is the chart of your investment assistant, and this is the dollar section. You have to see in this is the investment code here. So guys, click the button of G. You have to see in this is the Bitcoin and price here 25,000 million time. You have to see in this the Bitcoin price here. So you have to light price here. You have to increases and down your prices for always. You have to watch this is a Bitcoin price 1 million light and 5 million pro. So this is a chart of trading. So step first, you have to just invest. Click the button and you have to choose your amount: $1, $5, $10, $50, $100, $500, $2,000 and $10,000. So you have to choose your in your depend like odd number and even. So I prefer choose my odd number. So just 5 and just click the button invest. So this is the section. You have to just click the button investment, and then you can get your investing and trading and your earning start. So next step is how to get the section. You have to just bonus section. So this is the invite and earn up to 50 USD. So you have to see in this is my referral code and referral link. So you have to just copy these links, the invite section already told you. So copy this link and send your friends and family members. They will get rewards many time already I told you. So post it and with your friend together. So you have to just share your close friend and family members. So if you want to post another social media account like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Facebook and other YouTube channels, so you have to just put your invite invitation code through. So join gogobit and referral link user to sign up the link this receive reward. So this is the section claim now. Referral reward here, invitation bonus here already told you. This is the trading bonus here up to limited USD, and innovators can do bonus promotion to transaction volume generated. So this is the referral history here. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level. So this is the level section of your referral rewards here. So this is the main section and earning purpose for this side. So next section is my how to get deposit. So you have to see in this deposit amount minimum $5. So you have to just instant pay, okay, and you have to choose. So you have to read this reminder. Do not deposit any other currency except USD to the address. Sending the unspotted and coin or to this address my result inevitable loss. The minimum deposit 5 USD and deposit will be arrived 15 minutes. Okay. So this is the section how to get deposit, and just you have to put your minimum 5 amount, and then you can get your play now. So this is the section. You have to select your BNB change. So withdraw, no, before withdraw you have to just bonus section, and you have to just my wallet and 3 dot and click the button of Google or authentication. Okay guys, so just you have to just click the button next, and your 16-digit backup from the Google and keep it as safe. So download, first of all you have to just if you have to choose your like App Store and Google Play. I have Android and Google Play. Just I choose prefer Google Play. So you have to just, so friend, just click the button authenticator, open. Okay guys, and click the button add a code, and you have to just set up first account. So you have to see enter your account and just time base. So friends, you have this is the confirm Google authenticators. So guys, you have to see this, we done the Google ID authentication. So you have to see this, we done the deposit, and we have to now we have time for withdraw. So this is the section we done the Google authorization. I will show you 3 dot Google authorization, click the button, and you have seen this we have done for Google authorizators. You have seen this is the section you have to done your Google authorization. So now we have time for withdraw. So just you have to first section you have to BNB smart chain address wallet address is bind here. So open the section of wallet address. So friends, here we are. So open your USD PEP20 for Tether PEP20, receive the button, and you have to see this copy address. Okay guys, so friends, here we are. Just you have to paste your address. Okay guys, paste it and just add your address is success. Okay guys, then you have to enter your amount. How much? $16. Okay guys, then withdraw, just simply withdraw the amount and withdraw, confirm your address. You have to send, just confirm it, and you're not invite to code. So guys, we done the section. You have to we done the withdraw section. So this is the section I will tell you deposit and withdraw here. If you want to change your password, you can change. This is the privacy policy. This is the help center. If you have help, if you want to change your language, then you can change your language. And this is the bonus, already told you. This is the invest section. This is the trading section, and this is the home section. So we will done the section, and this is the amazing site gogobit.